Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh our YouTube channel. And today I will teach you the chemistry. In chemistry, chapter is here is the structure of atoms. In a structure of atoms, we will discuss about the structure of atoms and in details charge particles in a metals and charge particles in a metals. We will say we know that each atoms have three subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutrons. And what is the charge particles? Charge particles in atoms. We will discuss about it. So here is the atoms structure of atoms. Structure of atoms and charge particles in atoms. Charge particles in atoms. How we will discuss the charge particles in atoms? If charge particles in some particles that carry uh, electrons are called charge particles. The substance or atoms that carry electrons are called charge particles. Called charge particles. Rubbing. When we rub two substances, get electrically charged. The object get electrically charged. Object that get electrically charged, it means that some charge particles are, it means that some charge particles are present. Some charge particles are present within atoms, within the atoms. Within the atoms means that within atoms are made up of some charged particles. Means that atoms are made up of some charged particles. Some charged particles. These are electrons and protons. These particles are called electrons. Charged particles. These charged particles are called electrons and protons, because the particles are three: electron, proton, neutron. The charged particles are only two: electron, protons. And here's discovery of electrons. Discovery of electrons. Now we will discuss the discovery of protons. J.J. Thomson's while working on J.J. Thomson's discovered electron while working on discharge tube, glass tubes, perforated glass tube. Discharge perforated glass tubes. Discovered substances perforated glass tubes and discovered these subparticles and discovered these subatomic particles. Discovered these subatomic particles. He takes low pressure gas tubes. He has taken he takes the low pressure glass tube gas containing low pressure gas containing glass tubes taken in a discharge glass tubes. Low pressure gas has discharge tubes containing discharge tubes. Low pressure glass tube sorry low pressure uh, glass tube discharged glass tubes. Low pressure discharge glass tubes. Low pressure discharge glass tubes, and after that the discharge he connected the discharge both end glass tube with a wire and a high voltage battery high voltage batteries, and found that the high voltage battery with high voltage found that in a cathode a beam of rays seen because of the beam cathode rays. It is called cathode rays or further said electron, and anode is called positively charged protons. So the characters of the characters of electrons. What is character of electrons? Electrons are charged, denoted by E, and also charge content. Charge is equal to here 1 point minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and also it is very small. So, and mass we can calculate here. A mass is 9.1 into 10 power 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, and that's because it is very minute. So it is very minute. So electrons is equal to -1. This is the characters and the structures of the electrons. We have discussed in details how the electrons have discovered, who discovers, and who has seen how the apparatus they have used, which types of apparatus they have used, and how they have to find these electrons, and how the electrons needs occurs here, and what is the cathode rays also. Thank you very much for coming on channel. Here is the Rajesh sir YouTube channel. Please do share, subscribe, like, and write the comments so that I can send you more and more video, and you will subscribe this channel, otherwise you will miss the videos and lost some things. Okay, thank you, bye bye.